I'm Carl McCracken, and I'm from Goodland, Kansas. I farm wheat, milo, and corn, somewhere around 1,000 acres. I run versatile tractors, Laner combines, Case IH tractors. It lets me get my equipment in out of the weather so it'll last longer. I've been looking for probably close to a year. When I first started, I looked through 3 different companies on purchasing a building. Priced it through all 3 of them. The price comparison was real close. It was within a few $100 difference. It was all metal, and I liked all metal. The insurance on it's about half as cheap as what a wood one is. I bought bigger than what I wanted, and now I'm glad I did. I went with sliding doors. The sliding doors are usually cheaper, and that way I could do a little bit bigger building. I designed it. I actually started smaller, but whenever I called Great Western, they gave me the dimensions on this, and notified me when it'd be here, the time it'd be here. It was actually here before, they said, and we had everything ready to unload it when everything went smooth with it. It went up real good. They never had no complaints about putting it up, and overall I like it. Well, I'd highly recommend Great Western to them, and I have several people told them about it. It's what I wanted. It turned out the way I wanted it.